Welcome to English in a Minute. If you have heard American English, you probably have heard this.
You better treat him with kid gloves.
Is someone telling you to put on a pair of gloves? Let's listen again.
I heard Sam is really upset.
Really?
Yes, and he may be upset for a while. You better treat him with kid gloves.
It sounds as if Sam needs to be treated carefully and gently. That's what treat him with kid gloves means. Gloves made from kid leather, leather from a lamb or a young goat, are soft. So, if someone is angry or upset, you might need to treat him with kid gloves. Very carefully.
You better treat him with kid gloves.
And that's English in a Minute.